नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हंसा और मैं आ गई हूँ अगले हफ्ते का वीकली प्रेडिक्शन लेके, जो कि मैं करती हूँ सन, मून और राइजिंग के साथ। आपको पता ही है कि हर हफ्ते जो मैं वीकली प्रेडिक्शंस करती हूँ उसमें आपको थोड़ी इंसाइट देती हूँ जो स्टार्स हैं और जो चीज़ें चल रही हैं उसके हिसाब से, एंड आई होप दैट हेल्प्स यू आउट। और मैं ऐड करना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप लोग अपने सन साइन और मून साइन राइजिंग के अलावा और भी कुछ देखेंगे तो आपको कुछ सीखने को ही मिलेगा। सो डोंट स्किप इट, सी ऑल द सन साइन, मून साइन एंड राइजिंग सो दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज योर मून साइन एंड योर राइजिंग एंड योर सन साइन हैज़ टू से अबाउट यू एंड योर लाइफ नेक्स्ट वीक। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं एरीज से कि दिसंबर के इस हफ्ते में क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके बारे में। ओके, एरीज यानी मेष राशि आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं टैरो का। तो आपके लिए आए हैं एरीज, 2 कप्स के कार्ड हैं, तो कुछ इमोशनल राइड है, उसके साथ में ये आया है 7 ऑफ सोर्ड का कार्ड। सो टू बिगिन विद देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ cheating which is happening, you're not happy about it Aries, something which you're not happy, और जो मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा दिल का मामला है आपके लिए, क्योंकि दोनों ही कप्स कार्ड है। एक आया है आपके लिए 6 ऑफ कप्स और एक आया है पेज ऑफ कप्स। सो what I'm trying to say this week for you Aries is that कि थोड़ा emotional week है, some you feeling cheated, you're not feeling happy with the situation that you're in, but don't worry, everything will work out fine। अगर आपको लग रहा है कि कहीं आप cheated हो रहे हैं या आपकी कोई बात मान नहीं रहा है, सुन नहीं रहा है, तो don't worry about it, things will work out in the span of the week। दूसरी बात, अगर आपको मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि आप अपने घर में अपने बच्चों के बारे में बहुत सारी चीज़ें करना चाहते हैं, जस्ट बिकॉज दिस होल ईयर हैज़ गॉन लाइक दिस बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ गॉन ऑरी, तो आप अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ करेंगे स्पेशल। और पेज ऑफ कप्स ये कह रहा है कि कुछ नया पैगाम आने वाला है, कुछ नया आपके लिए, चाहे नौकरी हो या आप किसी चीज़ का वेट कर रहे हो, दिस सम काइंड ऑफ info flowing in this week for you, so don't worry, it's all good and you will be well taken care of by the universe। अब देखते हैं कि हमारे एनर्जी कार्ड्स क्या कहते हैं एरीज के लिए। एनर्जी कार्ड फॉर एरीज, wow, it's called, oh sorry my bad, strategy। Wow, strategy। So Aries, you need to have a little strategy about how you want to go about the thing, whether your work is concerned or your education is concerned or your life is concerned or in family also, because you need to bring happiness into the life of the people you love, you need to bring happiness in your life, you need to bring coherency in your workplace, so use a strategy and you will see success out there for you। Taurus, आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं tarot cards? Let's see। Taurus, let's see what the cards have to say for you। Well, nice cards too। Okay, the card of justice has come for you। तो अगर आप अभी तक जो आपकी ज़िंदगी में चल रहा था, you'll find justice is there for you। तो आप जो भी चीज़ चाह रहे थे, कर रहे थे, जहाँ आपको थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ी थी, वेट करना पड़ रहा था, तो card of justice telling you don't worry, justice will be given to you। Second card आपके लिए आया the high priestess, you're going to be a little more spiritual and also a little more intuitive about whatever is happening। तो अपने दिल की बात सुनिए, यही कहता है हाई प्रिस्टेस आपके लिए। and also get a little more spiritual and getting the rewards that could be more multiplied if you pray, chant, it will work for you। and the Knight of Pentacles has come for you। Knight of Pentacles tells you that you're looking for a long-term planning। I think everybody's looking for long-term planning at the moment, just because everything has gone already in 2020। so yes, so that is what the card is saying, but the money as far as there is a little stuck up। अगर आप स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो आपके लिए भी चीज़ें धीमे धीमे मूव करेंगी, but don't worry, they will move in the right direction, so don't lose hope about it। That's what the tarots have for you this week। and अब देखते हैं कि एनर्जी कार्ड्स क्या कहते हैं आपके लिए वृषभ राशि। एक्शन, वाला, दैट्स नाइस। एक्शन का कार्ड आपके लिए आया है। एक्शन का कार्ड यही कहता है कि आपको एक्ट अपॉन करना पड़ेगा। अगर आपने कुछ स्ट्रेटेजाइज किया है, आपने कुछ सोचा है कि मुझे आगे ऐसे बढ़ना है, तो नाउ इज द टाइम टू टेक एक्शन टू ब्रिंग द आइडियाज इन द लिविंग बीइंग नाउ। ऑलराइट, Geminis, what is there in the tarot cards this week? Let's see. तो जेमिनाइज आपके लिए आया है टू ऑफ सॉर्ड्स। टू ऑफ सॉर्ड्स आपके लिए यही कहता है कि यू आर लिटिल कंफ्यूज विच वे यू वांट टू गो, थोड़ा इमोशनल राइड है, यू रियली वांट टू वर्क बट इट्स नॉट क्लियर टू यू एट द मोमेंट। बट सेकंड कार्ड आपके लिए द वर्ल्ड का आया है, सो दैट मीन्स देयर इज अ कंप्लीशन हैपनिंग, देयर इज अ साइकिल एंडिंग विच वॉज देयर विच वॉज नॉट गिविंग यू एनी क्लैरिटी. That's what the world card is saying. And you're having the card of Six of Swords. That means you're traveling. That means it's a beautiful week for you, Geminis, because you are going away from the ride which is not working for you, where you don't have any clarification in your life as with work is concerned, emotional life is concerned. Even for students, if they're feeling they don't know, but don't worry, everything is coming to an end. But the world card is telling you that you're moving into a new cycle of life, and the Six of Swords is telling you that that cycle is happening. You're moving to the better times with a lot of clarity coming your way this week, so don't lose hope. Let's see what the energies card have to say for you. Okay, it's fifth chakra, Archangel Gabriel. The fifth chakra is आप अपने जब भी कहीं इंटरव्यू के लिए जाएं अच्छे से बात करिए, यूज़ योर विजडम एंड अगर आपके दिलो दिमाग में किसी के बारे में कुछ ऐसा है जो आपको लगता है कि इट्स नॉट राइट, एंड प्लीज से इट आउट rather than keeping the toxins inside you. So that's what the angels have to tell you. Now is the time to move to Cancerians. Let's see what the cards have to say for you. Cancerians, let's see. Alright, Cancerians आपके लिए आया है Four of Wands का card. That means there is some kind of happiness, maybe family time, maybe some celebration, some marriage proposal, maybe some good news in your life which is coming your way, maybe a good result coming your way अगर आपने कुछ एग्जाम अगर दिया है. दूसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है Eight of Swords का कार्ड, and Eight of Swords is telling you that you are little not clear कि क्या होने वाला है, कैसे होने वाला है, and you feeling like lost. So but that's okay. But the third card is the card of Hermit. So your being lost is asking you to do internalize your study. अंदर जाइए अपने अंदर, और अपने अंदर की जो सोल है उसको समझिए कि वो आपसे क्या कहना चाहती है, rather than going on the worldly thing that is happening all around us. So the answers are for you within, not outside. Cancerian, this week is little more on the intuitions and extra study to know you and your life better. Let's see what the angels card have to say for you. Again, the strategy has come for you. So strategy, when you study, you get to a point where you need to understand how you have to move forward, what you have to do. That is strategy. तो जब तक आप अपने आप को नहीं समझेंगे, आप अपना अगला कदम नहीं बढ़ा सकते हैं. तो आप अपने आप को समझिए, डीप स्टडी करिए, जिस चीज़ के बारे में आप आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, प्रोफेशनली, एजुकेशन वाइज, even for relationship, if it's not working, you have to understand where are you going wrong, rather than pointing fingers at others, and then make a plan or a strategy to win over your loved ones, or to get the job that you want and to excel in your studies that you're working for. अगला है लियो. लियो आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स? लेट्स सी. लियोस, whoa, alright. Leos, you have kind of Knight of Cups, so you are riding somewhere, you want to say some things very beautiful which is leading to love, but you're also taking your time about it. That's the Hanged Man telling you, and the Ten of Swords is coming because you are just feeling like, because you're not able to say what you want to say, you're feeling not good about it. And also maybe somebody is trying to backstab you in your work department or professional life, or even in school, college, education wise. If you have close friends, they're not going to be thinking good, so don't worry. You need to take a pause time to understand and just believe in the universe. That's going to happen right for you. That is what the cards are telling for you, Leo. और अगर अपने दिल की बात आपको किसी को कहनी है, then say it rather than butchering it in your heart. दूसरी बात जो है वो हमारे angels बताएंगे. Let's see what they have to say. The Sun. ब्यूटीफुल कार्ड लियोस। सिंह राशि के लिए लियो आया है, लियो नहीं सॉरी सन आया है। सन इज टेलिंग यू दैट द थिंग्स आर वर्किंग ब्राइट फॉर यू, यू हैव योर ओन फियर्स, सो डोंट हैव दोज फियर्स। कई बार आप अपने अंदर ही चीज़ों में लेफ्ट राइट ब्रेन से बात करते हैं। You don't have to do that. You have to say it out. That's what the Sun card is asking. It's a beautiful card. But चलते हैं हम वर्गोस की तरफ। कन्या राशि क्या कहते हैं आपके लिए कार्ड्स, लेट्स सी। ओके, कन्या राशि आपके लिए आया है द एस ऑफ पेंटिकल्स। समवेयर द मनी इज टेलिंग यू आई एम कमिंग योर वे। तो लक्ष्मी आ रही है आपके पास में। आपका है क्वीन ऑफ वंस, which is telling the females you're going to be very, very intuitive this week. So use your inner voice to understand your life this week and guide the people that you love so much. And आपके लिए आया है 7 of Wands का card, that you the people who are in job or in education, the students are like struggling for something that's happening in their life at the moment because a lot of chaos has happened this year. So don't worry, this struggle is there, but there's also being supported by the Ace of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. So you use your intuition and you will see the results coming your way. So don't worry on that account, Virgos. देखते हैं आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं healing cards, angels healing cards. Let's see. Anxiety. Okay, you might have anxiety because you're really struggling hard, so just keep the anxiety away because that will not serve your purpose. जब आपके पास प्रॉब्लम है तो उसका सोल्यूशन ढूंढिए और आपके रास्ते खुल जाएंगे। टाइम फॉर लिब्रा। तुला राशि आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स इस हफ्ते, क्या होगा आपकी जिंदगी में? ऑलराइट, आपके लिए आया है beautiful card of options, 7 of cups, that you have a lot of options which is happening at the moment in front of you because you want to do a lot of stuff. Maybe you have too many things on your plate also, for that matter, that you are looking for family life, your personal life, your people's health in your life, or whatever is there. So you are scattered at the moment, too many things that you have to take care of, Libra, this week, and that's giving you a mental anxiety. The 5 of Wands is telling you that there's a lot of mental anxiety, but what I suggest is keep the peace because you've got a card of 6 of Wands also. So just give this anxiety to the Almighty and ask Him to help you out to get over this problem that is going through in your life, and you will see the rewards and the little happiness that will come your way. खुशियाँ आपके पास आएंगी, हम अपने प्रॉब्लम्स को साइड में रखेंगे तभी। देखते हैं आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं एंजल हीलिंग कार्ड्स। आपके लिए भी सन आया है, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट इज। सो व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, दीज एंग्जाइटीज जो भी होती हैं हमारे दिल और दिमाग में होती है बिकॉज हमारे पास दिमाग भगवान ने दिया है सोचने के लिए। अगर हम ज़्यादा सोचेंगे तो उसका रिजल्ट हमारे पास नहीं आता है। तो हमेशा आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम को देखिए, समझिए, फिर सोल्यूशन से आप रास्ता निकालिए, तो आपकी ज़िंदगी में जो भी डार्कनेस है या एंग्जाइटी है वो हट जाएगी। देखते हैं अभी स्कॉर्पियोज आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स, लेट्स सी। स्कॉर्पियोज, लेट्स सी। ऑलराइट, स्कॉर्पियोज आपके लिए आया है वाओ, 9 of Wands, that you are holding your ground as far as your money is concerned, your work is concerned. You're just not there at the moment and very holding it like, okay, let me see what can work out of this. But you also got a card of 3 of Cups, which is saying a little celebration, meeting your friends is there for you this week, Scorpios. And also the card of Knight of Pentacles, which has come your way, which is telling you that with the friendships that you have around, you will sail through the money part that you're looking forward to because they are always there to help. But slow and steadily the money will come in your life. And as far as any thing is concerned with your job also, which you have given interview and you're feeling that it will happen, so you take help from your friends and all, that will guide you and that shall happen for you. But a little slow and steady, keeping a patience on, that's just what the card is suggesting for you, Scorpios, this week. And let's see what the Healing Angels card have to say for you. Okay. Healer of the Ages and the second card, Angel of Strength. Beautiful, both the cards are there. Angel of Healer and the Strength. So both these cards are telling you that you need a little healing, Scorpio. So heal yourself or ask anybody who can heal you. Do some chanting and that will help you. And also अगर आप देखेंगे तो आपको थोड़ा पेशेंस रखना है और आपको वहीं से फिजिकल इमोशनल स्ट्रेंथ मिलेगी. So just do that. Now we move on to Sagittarius. Sagittarius आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं cards? Alright, Sagittarius आपके लिए आया है Queen of Pentacles. So that means the females in you are going to be very feeling plushed and abundance and sorted in your life just because you're perfectly placed where you have to be. और दूसरा आया है आपके लिए कार्ड Ace of Wands. Something new happening, new thing is beginning, but you also got a card Three of Swords. So that means कहीं आपका दिल दुखा है पर उसकी तरफ मत देखिए. अगर आपको नई नौकरी जो मिलने वाली थी वो नहीं मिली है या the desired result haven't come, but don't worry, that's one chapter closed, but there's new thing happening. So just believe in the new beginning that is going to happen, not by the sad heart but the happy heart, and that shall be working good for you. Now let's see what the angels card have to say for you, Saggies. And it is a door to spirit. You need to get little more what do you say, spiritual. थोड़ा chanting करिए, हनुमान चालीसा पढ़िए ताकि आपकी जो problems हैं वो ख़त्म हो और आपको एक नया रास्ता दिखे. That's what the cards are telling you, Sagittarius. Okay, तो चलते हैं Capricorn की तरफ. Capris आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं cards? Wow, such beautiful card, Capricorn. After a long time, you got an Ace of Cups का card है आपकी ज़िंदगी में. Some new beginning is happening vis-a-vis work, vis-a-vis education, vis-a-vis your job, or even your life. Somebody is coming into your life. That's what the Ace of Cups, because it's all we talk about the love especially, but otherwise any new beginning going to happen in your life, Capris. And the card of Star has come, that the card is telling you that the stars are changing for you now. So जब सितारे बदलते हैं सब कुछ अच्छा होगा. उसी के साथ में आपके लिए आया है Eight of Wands का कार्ड. So it's totality, a new beginning, new work and happening. Suddenly things will change for you, Capricorn. I know you've been struggling for a very, very long time, but just your patience is paying you now. So just enjoy this and see the fruits of the labor of your past few months that you have done. And let's see what the angels card have to say for you, Capris. Door to personal healing and happiness. Beautiful, beautiful card, Capris. I'm so happy for you. Personal healing and happiness. The doors are opening up for you, Capricorn. And it's like, finally you can have the breath and the sigh of relief which says, finally your prayers have been answered. God bless. चलते हैं Aquarius. Aquarius आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं cards? Aquarians, what's storing for you? Oh wow, oh lovely. Aquarian, आपके लिए है Nine of Pentacles, which is like the females, you're going to feel very, very beautiful inside out, and you're going to be feeling charged up spiritually, as if some enlightenment has happened for you, and you're going to be feeling like splurging and taking care of yourself. Females, जितनी भी महिलाएं हैं उनके लिए बहुत ही अच्छा हफ्ता है ये. और आपके लिए है Two of Cups. तो मतलब आपकी ज़िंदगी में अगर बिजनेस है तो वो पार्टनरशिप में होगा. फीमेल्स इफ यू लुकिंग फॉर सम पार्टनरशिप दैट इज ऑल्सो हैपनिंग फॉर यू. और आपके लिए है Ten of Cups. सो इट्स लाइक पैसा भी है, फैमिली भी है, पार्टनरशिप भी है, और इट्स ब्यूटिफुल वीक फॉर यू, Aquarian, after a long time. God bless you for you having this again, the patience paying for you. So let's see what the healing cards have to say. आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं healing cards? Wow, door to value. My God, this is so amazing. So Aquarians, आपके लिए जो अब दिसंबर का ये हफ्ता है, that is paving new way for you to horizon, which is all of abundance, happiness, and new ventures, new platforms to earn money, and I would say God bless you. अब चलते हैं Pisces. आपके लिए मीन राशि क्या कहते हैं tarot cards? Let's see. All right. Wow, Pisces, आपके लिए है Knight of Pentacles. again. So this is a card that you're thinking about the money to be long lasting. आप कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट करने की सोच रहे हैं या ये सोच रहे हैं कि पैसा आएगा तो मैं कैसे इन्वेस्ट करूँगा. आपके लिए है 9 of cups card, which is a wishful card. So I think your wish is coming true and it's going to get fulfilled also because आपके आया है Ace of Wands का card. Ace of Wands is also like there's a new beginning which is happening. So your wish will come true this week and you will be feeling loved. You will be feeling settled, you will be feeling better emotionally, physically and mentally. So Pisces, the water sign, you are going to rock this week. And let's see what the angels got to say for you. Angels card for Pisces is 7th chakra, Archangel Uriel. OMG, this is such a beautiful card. This is a card of your opening of the crown chakra and like going all out for the wisdom and getting all the beautiful soul's energy from above. Well, that's all for the 12 signs. पर जाने के पहले मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ The universe has your back. So let's see what this card has to say for all our sun, moon, rising sign this week. How it's going to pan out. How is the universe looking for it? So it says, alrighty. It says, I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. Boom. Beautiful, beautiful card this is. And I think this is the way it should be. You should never feel guilty about whatever you want in your life because there's nothing to regret about in life. जो भी है, चाहे 5 मिनट की खुशी आपको मिलती है, do not regret about it. Because खुशी आपको मिली है तो क्यों पछताना, क्यों बुरा क्यों सोचना? Why should have guilt for it? अगर आपने किसी को hurt नहीं किया है तभी. तो इसी के साथ इस एपिसोड की समाप्ति होती है. पर जाने के पहले मैं आपसे माफ़ी मांगना चाहती हूँ सिर्फ इसलिए क्योंकि इस हफ्ते मेरी तबीयत बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं थी. बट आई हैड अ कमिटमेंट टू कम आउट एंड डू इट, सो आई हैव डन दिस. अगर कुछ भूल चूक हुई तो प्लीज़ माफ़ कीजिएगा. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आपको अपनी पर्सनल रीडिंग 2021 की करवानी है तो उसके लिए आप कमेंट्स में लिखें या hansa@hotmail.com पे आप मुझे ईमेल करिए so that I can guide you. Yes, it comes with energy exchange. Nothing is free over here. So be more truthful to yourself so that you know what you want in your life. I can guide you only if you trust yourself and if you believe in yourself and you believe in what you're asking for. Thank you so much for beautiful support that you keep giving me, and I would say namaste and love and light.